Hi friends, I am Durga Prasad here. Today we'll discuss a topic about approximation and how we will do the calculations and how we will fastly evaluate the values and how fastly we have to calculate the values. We will discuss these things. So initially in my previous videos, I explained some tricks about finding square root, finding square of a number and all these things. So here today also those things will be helpful to you. And see here the questions. So first question, what is the approximate value comes in the place of question mark in the following questions. So here this is 36.09 percentage. So approximation, whenever you are doing approximation, for example, there is 7.09 is there. It is approximately 7 only. If it is 7.90 is there, then you have to take it as 8. If it is more than 7.5, then it is always treated as approximately is equals to 8. Approximately is equals to 8. Approximately this value should be is equals to 8. Approximate of this value is equals to 8 always. So here how to solve this question. So see this one, if it is I told you if it is more than 7.5, then it is 8. If it is less than 7.5 value, then you have to treat it as 7 only. So here value, this is 36 percentage. This is only 36 percentage because approximation this one of 450 of 450. That means you can take it as 45 percentage of 360. For understanding only, I'm writing this, friends. And this one is under root 3140. You can write it as 2500 under root 2500 2500 plus 640 extra minus 18 into 13. So this, see this one, this is 36 percentage of 450. You are thinking, my suggestion is to interchange this 45 and 36 values. 45 take to this side, 36 take to this side. Then you will get 45 percentage of 360, because this will helps you to reduce your calculation, because 50 percentage of this number you know very easily how much it is. 180 50 percentage, but this value we required only 45 only here, 45 only here. Then 5 percentage will subtract 18. 50 percentage minus 5 percentage plus this value under root 2550 plus extra 640 by 2 times of 50 minus 18 into 13. So here this is total value is 56. This total value is 56. Now 18 is here, 18 is here, 18 is here also. 18 is common then, right? 18 is common then. 10 minus 1 plus, in this 56 3 times minus 13. 10 plus 3, 13, 13 cancel. Then minus 18 is answer. Then your approximate answer is equals to minus 16. Because you are having only one option which is very near to minus 18. Then your answer could be minus 16. So see this, friends. I'll try to explain it to you again. So see this. See this. This is 36 percentage of 450. We are writing 45 percentage of 360. And this one, 50 square 2500 plus 640 extra. That is 50. This is 50 square already. 640 by 2 times of 50 minus 18 into 13. This is first step. 45 percentage. First find out 50 percentage of this value. 180. 5% I am subtracting 18 plus this is 56 by because 0 cancel. 64 by 10 6.4 that is 56 minus 18 into 13. 18 is common. 10 minus 1 and here approximately 3 times minus 13. 10 plus 3 13 minus 13 is cancelled. Then your answer is minus 18. Approximate answer is equals to minus 16. Then D is your answer. We'll go for the second question. So this is 830 because 829.96 is approximately 830 by 16 minus 34% of 450. Instead of writing 34% of 450, you can write 45% of 340. 45% of 340 plus 45% of 280. See this friends, 16 in 80. Why it is 80? Because this is I am taking 800 plus 30. 16 here 5 times. 16 5s are 80. Then it is 50 times. And 2 times extra. Total how many times? 52 times. Minus this value 45%, here also 45%. Okay. 45% I am taking common. Minus 45%. Then 340 minus 280. That is 60 only. That is a 60. In the 60 you have to calculate 45%. In the 60 you have to calculate 45. That is 50% is 30 minus 3. 30 minus 3. That is 52 minus 27. Answer is 25. Approximate answer is equals to A. First option A. I hope you understand. I will go for the next question. $825 by 14 minus 635 by 12 plus 20% of 370. 20% of 370. 14 in 84 cancel, right? 84 is divided by 14. That means this value is nothing but 840 minus 15. In this number 14 how many times cancel? 6 times 60. In this number how many times? 1 time. 60 minus 1 is what? 59 minus 12 in 600. That means 60 plus 35. 60 plus 35. That is 600 plus 35. We are. So why are you splitting the numbers like this? Because 60 is a number which is divided by 12 exactly how many times? Means 5 times. That means here 50 times plus 3 times. 53 times plus 10% is what in this number? 37. 20% in the sense double. 37 plus 37, 74. So here 6, here 74, answer is 80. That is approximate answer is equals to B. That is very near and you got the same answer as given options. So answer is B. So we'll discuss this one. Next question. So see here under root 6090. Under root 6090. So this under root square root value. So 70 square is 4900. 80 square is 6400. So this number, given number is near to which square number? 80s. So is it exactly 80? No, but it won't make any difference. Take it as 80, no problem. Otherwise, if you want to take it a little bit perfect value, then make like this: 6400 minus 310. 6400 minus 310. This is how much square? 80 minus 310 by 2 times of 80. 2 times of same 80 you have to write. 160 2 times. Then first value is 78. Approximate value is 70. Plus This is 48% of 550. 48% of 550. You can write 55% of 480, right? 55% of 480. Why 55%? 50% is 240 plus 24. Why? Because this is 50%, 5%. 50% and 5%. Next, we'll go for 52%. But this is minus. Minus 50% of this value. This is 350 if you are thinking. Total approximate value 350. 50% means 175 minus 2%, 7. Why it is 7? That is 1% is 3.5. 2% will be double 7. Are you understanding this point? Now we'll go for a simplification. Observe this one. Observe this one. This is 78. This is 175. This is 175. You can take these two values. These two values. Cancel, minus 100 is remaining. 240 minus 100 is what? 140 plus 24 minus 7. 140 plus 24. 140 plus 24. 164 minus 7. 150. 157. Approximate answer is what? 160. Because more than 155, then you have to go for 160. So here, I'm explaining it to you again. Under root 6090, it won't make any difference. That means we are taking 80 plus. This is 48% of 550. But what we are taking is 55% of 480. That is 240 plus 24 minus. This is 50% and 2% we are calculating in 350. In 350. So 50% 175 and 2%. Because this value is 50% plus 2%. So minus 50 minus 2. So here 2% is 7. So that's it. So this value, if you are taking like this, 80 minus 175. 80 minus 175. 80 minus 175. Otherwise, these two values, if you are adding, then you will get 182 minus, right? But this is also 80, then minus 100. 240 plus 24 minus 100. In your mind, not on papers. 240 minus 100 is what? 140. Plus 24 you are adding extra. 164. Then answer is A. Answer is A. Your answer will not be changed if you are taking approximately one or two values in difference. So see this question. 52% of 14% of C. This under root value is for entire bracket value. Entire bracket value. Entire bracket value. So this is 52%. You have to calculate in 650. 50% is what? 325. 2% is 13. All of this is under root. Plus 89 this one into 16. 89 you can write it as 90 minus 1 into 16. 9 16s. 9 into 16. 144. 1440 minus 16. That is 1425. Minus 495 by 13. 495 by 13. Entire value 1400, 300, 1700, 1750, 1750, 1763 under. You can make it approximately 40 square. 40 square is 1600 actually. 1600. This is approximately 40 square. 40 square, 40 plus extra 163 by 2 times of 40. By 2 times of 40. 80. 2 times cancel. That means approximate answer is 42. This under root value is 42. Minus 495 by 3. This is nothing but 520 minus 25. Why are you taking 520? Because 52 is a multiple of 13. 13 cancel how many times? 4 times. 40 minus 2 times. That is 38. 42 minus 38. Answer is 4. So answer is 4. So option is E. Option is 4. Answer is E. So let me go for another example. See, 46 percentage of 150. Otherwise 150 percentage of 46. Anything is same. If it is 150 percentage of 46. If it is 150 percentage of 46. 100 percentage is 46. 150 percentage of 46. If it is 100 percentage is 46 plus 23 minus 7130 by 12 into 9 by 12 into 9. 46 plus 23 69 minus this is 108 108 108. How many times cancel? 108. This is approximately 108, not approximately, exactly 108. So 7130 by 108. 108. Is it 7 times cancel? No, only 6 times cancel. Only 6 times. 6 into 108 is 648. And 648. 648 to 713. 648 to 713. Again 6 times only cancel. So here 6 times 66. Then answer is 3. Answer is 3. Take a minute and try to solve this question. Okay. Let me tell you, this is 765. Don't see this as 765 because this number is divided by how much value? 13, approximately 13. Then try to take this number as multiples of 13. 13 6 are 78. Then 780 minus 15. In your mind, assume like this. Then in this number, 13 cancel in the sense you can do it very easily. 13 how many times cancel? 60 minus 1, 59 into 15 minus this is 26 percentage of 650. 25 percentage plus 1 percentage. 26 percentage. 25 percentage. 25 percentage means what? 1 by 4. 1 by 4 of 650. 1 by 4 of 650. In 64, 4 how many times cancel? 16 times. 160 plus 160 plus in 10 2 times cancel. 160 2 times cancel. Minus 1 percentage of 650. 6.5 minus 239. 59, make it 60. Make it 60 minus 1. 60 into 15. 15 6 are 900 minus 15. 900 minus 15 minus 162 minus 240 plus 6, 246. So what will be your answer? What will be your answer? What will be your answer? Very simple. 24, 16 and 24 and 16. What is 24 plus 16? 400. 402, 408 and 15. 402, 408 and 15. That is minus 423. Then your answer is 477. What is nearest option? 470. What is nearest option? 470. Is that clear? Okay. We'll go for next value. 850 percentage of, that is, sorry, not 850, 85 percentage of. 85 percentage of 260. 100 percentage is 260 minus 26 minus 13. I hope you understand. 100 percentage minus 10 percentage minus 5 percentage. That is 85 percentage approximately. Minus, this is 12, this is 17. 12 into 17 plus 86 is equals to how much? 12 into 17. 17 tens are 170. 17 twos are 34. 17 10 plus 2. 17 tens are 17 twos are. 17 tens are how much value? 170. 17 twos are 34. 170 plus 34, 204 plus 86. This value, how to calculate it? 26 and 13, 39. But 40, take it, 220. 220 minus 204. That is 200 cancel. 20 minus 4 is equals to what? 16. 16 plus 86. 86 plus 16, 102. But you have answer option as 103. That means your nearest answer is equals to 103. Maybe if you are doing calculation with the point values, maybe you will get 102.99 like that you will get. Otherwise 103.45 like that you will get. Anyway, that value is approximately is equals to 103. That is option is 103. So in your examination, you have to do the calculations faster. This is 18 into 15. 18 into 15. 18 tens are, you know, 18 fives are, you know. 18 tens are 180. 18 tens are 180. 18 fives are in the sense half of this value, right? 90. That is 180 plus 90 is equals to 270 minus 14 into 13. 14 into 13 or 13 into 14. You know 13 square plus 13 is this value because 13 into 13 plus 1. 13 square plus 13. 169 plus 13. 182 minus 2400. Take it 50 approximately. This is 90 and after that 50 subtracted. You will get 40. You will get a 40. But you have a conflict here. If you are getting answer as 40, you may choose A as option or E as option. That's why you have to do it some more perfectly. This is 270 minus 180 we are taking initially. That means we thought 180. That's why it is 90 is coming. 90 minus 50 is equals to 40. But 2 is extra here. You have to subtract 2 also. Then answer is what? 38. So not 42, this is 38. So this is 50 square, that is 50 plus 401 extra, that is 400 by 2 times of 50. 400 by 2 times of 50, that is 4 plus 100 percentage calculate 350 plus 10 percentage is 35. 10 percentage is 35. But 20 percentage is 70. You calculated 120, but 6 percentage extra. 1 percentage is what? 3.5. 6 percentage means 6 into 3.5. That is 21 minus 23 into 16. 20 16s are 320. 20 16s are 20 plus 3 into 16. 16 3s are 48. This is your answer. So this is 50 and 48. Cancel. 350 and 320. 30 is remaining. 30 is remaining. Of course, here 2 also remain. 50 minus 48 is 2 remaining plus 30 remaining. plus 70 remaining plus 21 plus 4. These are the values you have to add up. 70, 30, 100, 121, 4, 125 plus 2, 127. Then answer is C. I hope you understand. We'll go for next question. 56 square. 50 square, 50 and 56. Difference is what? 6. 6 square, write it 36. Actually 50 square is 2500. Then obviously 56 square is greater than this number. How much greater here? Here to here. 6 values extra. So 6 add it. 25 plus 6 is 31. Plus 18 into 29 minus 5960 by 23. 5960 by 23. So this is 3136 plus, take it 30 minus 1. Because 18 3s are, 54. 540 minus 18 minus this value you have to simplify. Very easy. 596, 529. Because square numbers already. Here to here difference is how much? 596 and 529. Very simple. 67. 67. That is 670. 5290 plus 670. By 23 here. By 23 here. 23 how many times cancel? 230 times cancel. Plus 23. 3 times 30. Because 23 3s are 69, right? So it is not a big deal. So 230 and 30. 260, right? So answer is 260 here. So here 3136, 3136. And 540 minus 18 minus 260. If you did it, you'll get the value. You'll get 3400 in your mind only. Don't do it on papers exactly. Don't do it on papers, because you can take it 280, right? You could take it 280. You could take it 280 and you will get the answer 3400. So try to solve this question. You'll get the answer as 37. This is your last question. And if you like this video, just share to your friends. Maybe this is helpful to your friends also. Thank you. Thank you very much.